Well, that was nice. What'd you hit?
5-iron. Listen,
Hard 5, easy 5? What kind of 5?
5-iron.
Uh-oh. Whoa!
Okay, so my golfing buddy and I are talking about those advertised prices some car dealerships have in their ads. And I ask him if he really believes these guys are the only ones with those prices.
I'm trying to putt here, okay?
Okay, but look, all those dealerships pay exactly the same price for the same new vehicles from the factory. So if their costs are all the same, how could a dealer sell for less than any other dealer?
What do you mean?
Well, it's like when you want to buy that brand new name brand driver. And you know they all cost about the same at every golf store you go to.
Okay.
But only one store also gives you free golf balls for life when you buy it. So where are you going to go to buy that driver?
So the right answer is I go to the golf store with the free balls?
That's right. And that's why the Sunset Auto family of dealerships is growing so fast. Prices are pretty much the same everywhere, but only Sunset includes warranty protection for life and oil changes for life.
So don't get sandbagged, my friend.
Go to sunsetautofamily.com for details, because you just get more with Sunset. And people do like that.
Oh, nice shot.